Good day, good day. This is Julie Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm going to do a really easy idea for home decor for your home that you can do really quick and easy with no artistic talent whatsoever. So it's really easy, and you'll see when the pieces are hung on a wall how effective they can look for a very minimal cost, even on a huge canvas. So it would only cost you a little bit more than the cost of a large canvas. So I'm going to just work today to show you this demonstration on I think it's a 45 by 55, I'm not 100% certain. But first of all, I'm going to do a very simple thing and just coat my canvas in a, I'm using my global pouring medium. There is a link to the video for the mixing video on this. You do not have to use any silicone or Floetrol, anything in my mix. So just wanted to let you know, because lots of people still ask, what are you using? So I'm just easy lemon squeezy. This doesn't have to actually be mixed up as pouring paint, because I'm only doing the colour as my background. But I just want to give you ideas, trying to come up with new ideas for my channel. So probably lots of channels that do really well are just doing home decorating tips for creating different things for you, decorating your home that are cheap and easy. So I just want to do this really quick and easy one. It's just literally coat your canvas. You can give it one coat, let it dry, then give it another if you so choose, to make sure your canvas is really covered. So let's get to it. Very simple, this one. Then I'll go to the second one. So that's covered. You can either use a catalyst wedge, a knitting, or a knit comb, head lice comb, or an ordinary comb. So it literally is just combing. I'll start off and try it with this knitty comb. And that's absolutely not working. Okay, I'll try it with this comb. I need my paint thicker. Okay, note to self, start again. Silly Jilly. I think I need my paint thicker for it to come through there. I think I maybe should have put a, just the paint without any pouring medium maybe. Or I could try this. Rightio, let me get some gold. That would be nice on that, I reckon. Let's go for gold. So let's give me a wiggle of gold. It's a nice sort of classy, the navy, the black navy and gold. And I'm going to put a bit of this, well, it was actually the pale, it's called palest peach. It's really not a nondescript colour, very bland. Just going off tether now, but I want to just show you some really easy art for your home. Simple as that. I think what I'll do is use the catalyst wedge. I have got in my drop down box underneath this video, there is a link for these catalyst wedges. Let's give this one a go. Okay, that worked a little better, didn't it? Rightio. easy heart inspiration for your home. Simple pimple. You absolutely do not need any artistic bone in your body, really. You don't. Okie doke. What can I put in there? A little bit of, just a tiny little bit of the black. So hopefully put a few videos together on this particular one, just to easy art inspiration. Rightio, I'll go over it with my just a mini hair blower. How easy and effective is that? If you so choose to, you can do a little bit of balloon work in it with just a balloon. Put it between your two fingers, put the belly button there, and just do a bit of rolling. I just think it softens the whole thing up. Don't need too much in this particular one because I've only done a small area there. I just think it helps soften. Oh, that's a bit weird. Soften the whole thing up. Oh, I'm going to turn this round, give you a look, and I mean, I'm just looking at this bit, so I'm just thinking, does it need a little bit of blowing out there, or this is just a straw. I just think that's really simple, really easy heart inspo. I need to just finish off around my edges, but it's very effective and it's super gorgeous up on the walls. Have a look.